Namaste. Welcome to day 3 of intermediate level 1 Sarthi Snails to Bolts exercise regime for diabetics. In the last 2 days we had done lower body and core, and today we will be focusing on the upper body. So let's start the exercises. Let's get going with Manish. Thank you.
Are you ready to beat diabetes? So, are you ready for a change? Are you ready to sweat it out? 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. So today we'll start with a warm-up. So as warm-up is always important and essential. If you had did earlier session of our beginner level, you had seen we had did very light warm-up also. So this will be because you had did for the month, more than month you had did all these exercises. Now you are doing this. So hope this warm-up will be for next level of your exercises, which we will be showing further. Yeah? So let's start with the warm-up. We will start from the head to toe. Slowly we will take all the body parts, we will mobilize it, loosen it. Yeah? Okay, let's start with the head. Up down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change left right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, side bend dynamically. 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we will do the front, back, up, back. Front, back. Got it? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Next one, alternate toe touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, 1, 2. इससे आपका groins mobilize होएगा, and it is very important to mobilize your groins before doing, because feet and groins are the ignored part. Yeah, relax. Next one, we will do the hip rotation. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one, calf raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Next one, for your ankle, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left right, same leg. If you want, left right, left right. If you want, take support. Not an issue. Relax. दूसरा पैर करेंगे, दूसरा पैर up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. With the another leg, we will do the rotation. Rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse, reverse, reverse. 1, 2, 3. If you want to take support, please take it. Not any issue. Relax, relax. दूसरा पैर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse, reverse, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Next one we will do for the hamstring. We will loosen the hamstring muscle. Just you have to stand and bend down. Your knee should be locked and swing. We will show. Yes. Make sure your knee should be locked. Yeah, you start. Yeah, you just swinging the hand. Make sure you are getting the stretch in your hamstring. You are loosening the hamstring muscles. Yeah, relax, relax, relax. Next one, we will do few kicks. Front kick, front kick. 1, 2. आराम से करो. अगर आपसे नहीं होता है, कम होता है, चलेगा. इतना किया चलेगा. हाँ, कम किया तो भी चलेगा. बट लेग शुड बी स्ट्रेट. और पैर को टच करने के लिए अपने बॉडी को नीचे मत लेकर आओ. यस, दूसरे पैर का फ्रंट किक. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch to another leg. Sideways, sideways, sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Spot jog, spot jog. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one, jumping jacks, jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, butt kick, butt kick. You have to swing your hand. See his leg movement. He's trying to pull his leg behind and kicking behind as much as possible. Relax, relax. Next one and the last one, we will do the high knee. Do it with the low intensity. First hold low intensity. Yeah, relax. Yes. इतना किया तो भी चलेगा. और जो थोड़ा और ऊपर फिर धीरे धीरे जितना, yes, इतना भी चलेगा. Don't do more than this. Yeah, you will do the relax. Okay, we are done with the warm up. Now we will start with our workout.
Thank you.
Hello everyone. So today we will going to do upper body workout with our Vivek Damani. He had already shown us number of workouts previously, and today also he will perform upper body workout. Let's see what he have in his mind. We will do the same and follow him. Yeah, ready? Yeah, ready, Vivek?
Yep.
Yeah, great. So the first one we will do the, just you have to raise the hand and come down. He will show how to do it. See, you have to take it up. Don't go too much down. It has to come till here. That's it. Means your shoulder and one minute. Shoulder and elbow is in one line. That's it. इतना ही नीचे लेना है, इससे नीचे नहीं जाना है. Just and you have to go up and down. Relax. So ready? Get ready, guys. 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Last 15 seconds. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Relax. Next one, we will go to the plank position, high plank position first. Then we will do the high in the high plank. How to do? We will show. Go to tell hi the people who is in the front of you. If it is not, just assume there is someone standing in front of you. You are telling hi. Yeah, relax. You have to tell hi to them. Yeah. Let's start. 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Last 15 seconds. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Very nice. So ये हमारा नेक्स्ट वर्कआउट हो गया. अभी नेक्स्ट वर्कआउट हम लोग प्लैंक पोजीशन में ही करेंगे विथ हाई ओनली, बट थोड़ा सा वेरिएशन लाएंगे. लेटरल प्लैंक करेंगे और फिर हाई बोलेंगे. हाँ, शो just moving from one point to another point, telling hi. We will go that side. Hi. To tell hi with both the hands. Hi. Yes. Relax. Yes. So जब भी ये साइड जाएंगे तो ये वाला हाथ, वो साइड जाएंगे तो ये वाला हाथ. Just like this we will be working on both the shoulders. Yeah, ready? So while coming this side, we will use the left hand. While going that side, we will use the right hand. Yeah? You have to tell hi with that particular hand. Let's start. 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Last 15 seconds. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's great. अभी नेक्स्ट वन हम लोग हाई प्लैंक में फ्रंट एंड बैक वॉक करेंगे. अभी लेटरल कैसे किए थे, साइड बाय साइड किए थे. अभी फ्रंट एंड बैक हाई प्लैंक में ही करना है. कैसे करना है मैं विल शो. 1, 2, 3. 3 step enough. 3 or 2. You can do with the 2 also. He is doing 3 steps, but you can do 2 steps also. Relax. Just make sure your body only while going behind, your hip will little get lifted because you are going behind. But when you will again come in the plank position, your body should be straight in one line, incline from shoulder, hip and heel. Huh? Let's get ready. Ready, Vivek?
Yep.
Yeah, great. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He is doing 3 steps. You can do 2 steps also. Start with the 2 steps, guys. This will help you to build the confidence and also the strength. Yes. Last 12 seconds. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. अभी हम लोग नेक्स्ट वर्कआउट करेंगे. You will lie down completely. Your hand and leg both will be lifted. Yeah? You have to lie down on the stomach, on your chest. Yeah? Lie down. Yeah. Leg lift. Yeah. Now just move it. Wow, great. So you have to do again the same principle. Your ये शोल्डर के नीचे नहीं जाना चाहिए. देखियो इनका जो विंग्स है ये पूरा एक लाइन में है. एल्बो शोल्डर आप लोग को इसी तरह करना है. यस, मेक श्योर आपका शोल्डर और एल्बो एक लाइन में रहे, ज़्यादा नीचे नहीं जाए. या यू विल बी वर्किंग ऑन योर कोर ऑल्सो एंड अपर बॉडी ऑल्सो. या दिस इज मल्टी वर्कआउट हो गया. समझ लो आप अपर बॉडी के लिए वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं बट आप कोर पे ही वर्क कर रहे हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ वी एंगेज आवर ओवरऑल बॉडी व्हेन वी आर डूइंग एनी वर्कआउट. या let's start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Come up. As we finish our workout, it is always important to the cool down. As had explained earlier also, cool down is very important. Yeah. So we'll do the cool down also from your head to toe. We will show each exercise from head to toe will be 10 seconds, but you can do, if you have more time, you can do for 20 to 30 seconds also. Yeah, this will make your body relaxed. You will feel like you can do all the workout again. Yeah, that is what the magic of the cool down or limb work. Yeah. Okay, let's start. Ready for the cool down?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's start with the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. Yeah, perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One we will do for the triceps. Yes, have to pull down like this. Yes. The way he is doing. You will get the stretch here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, we will do side bend hold. Yeah? Static side bend रहेगा, hold रखेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, forward bend like this. आपके हिप को पीछे की तरफ स्ट्रेच करना है, आपको हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा। 1 2, ये देखो ये हिप को पीछे की तरफ स्ट्रेच कर रहा हूँ, तो आपको ही शोइंग इन द अदर डायरेक्शन, हिप को पीछे डायरेक्शन में एक किए तो आपके हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा। यस, रिलैक्स रिलैक्स। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, गो डाउन इन द सेंटर, गो अहेड। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Next one, he will show for the hip like this. In the lunges position but static, hold रखेंगे, आपके हिप और ग्लूट्स दोनों में स्ट्रेच आएगा, हील ग्राउंड पे टच नहीं रहेगा, हील ग्राउंड पे टच नहीं रहेगा। अपर बॉडी स्ट्रेट है, आगे वाला पैर 90 डिग्री है, पीछे वाला पैर भी एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं। 4 3 2 1, या दूसरे साइड करेंगे, अभी दूसरे साइड। 1 2, अपर बॉडी स्ट्रेट, नी 90 डिग्री, पीछे वाला पैर स्ट्रेट, हील डाउन टच नहीं है, रिलैक्स। नेक्स्ट वन, फॉरवर्ड बेंड, हाथ ऐसे ऊपर लेंगे और नीचे जाएंगे, आप गो डाउन स्लोली। यस, नी लॉक है, लेग स्ट्रेट है, आपको हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। बस अगर कोई अपना फोरहेड नी को टच कर सकता है वो भी कर सकते हैं। रिलैक्स रिलैक्स। अभी एक बैक के लिए करेंगे, जस्ट गो बैक। 1 2 3 4 5 6, आप लोग जितना कर सकते हैं उतना ही करना। रिलैक्स रिलैक्स रिलैक्स। नेक्स्ट वन, वी विल डू वन फॉर द ग्लूट्स। पैर ऐसे करेंगे और सिट डाउन, जितना भी नीचे बैठ सकते। परफेक्ट। 1 2, एक जगह पे देखो तो आपका कॉन्सेंट्रेट करोगे ना एक जगह पे तो आपका हो जाएगा। 5 4 3 2, अभी दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे। विल डू फॉर द अनदर लेग। स्टार्ट। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Relax. One we will do for the groin. One we will do for the groin. Sit down like this and just stretch. आपके एल्बो से थाइस को बाहर की तरफ पुश करना है। 1 2, you will feel the stretch in your groin. Groins मतलब ये पार्ट, just you will feel the stretch there. Relax. That is most ignored part while doing any of the workout, either warm up, cool down. So we had purposely included in our program. One we will do for the quads. We will just lift it. Again, आप एक जगह पे देखो, नहीं होता है तो आप बैलेंस ले सकते हो, दीवार से चलेगा। या 4 5 6 7 8 9, दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे, दूसरे पैर के लिए। 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Next one, we will do Trikonasana. क्रॉस ट्राइंगल पोज। परफेक्ट। ऊपर देखना है स्काई पे, यस आप घर में कर रहे हो तो सीलिंग पे देखिए। 4 5 6 7 8 9, अदर साइड। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Relax. Next one, we will do few sitting exercises. Sitting stretches. Now just swing it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. एक कैट कैमल करेंगे. कैट कैमल. Relax and just arch it. देखिए कैसे आर्च कर रहे हैं. Yes. Then again. Do 4 to 5 times. Yes. But do it very slowly. This is for relaxing your back. This is very good for your back. Yes. So you must do it. Yeah. Relax. Next one. You will sit in the Vajrasan. Sit. Yeah. Just press your body. Yes. Just sit down for 10 to 20 सेकेंड. हम लोग 10 सेकेंड के लिए ही करेंगे. Relax. Come up. The last one we will do with the breathing exercise. Inhale up करेंगे और exhale down करेंगे. We will show. Inhale up मतलब वो सांस अंदर लेके ऊपर जा रहे हैं और सांस छोड़ेंगे तो नीचे आ रहे हैं. Very slowly with his breathing rhythm. उनका हाथ भी ऊपर जा रहा है और breathing rhythm से ही जैसे exhale कर रहे हैं डाउन हो रहा है. Inhale ले रहे हैं तो ऊपर, exhale तो डाउन. Yeah, relax. Hope you enjoyed the session. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it for more updates. We will keep posting many more videos for you and many other elements also. Yeah, thank you. If you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe it. Thus,